New images coming in from Jamaica showing the catastrophic damage left behind by Hurricane Melissa. The powerful Category 5 storm hit the Caribbean island last week. Now, two people from Milwaukee with ties to the island are stepping in to help the survivors. Joining us now are Nicole Goins and Robert Gale. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Yeah. Well, first, Nicole, we have some video from your family that we want to start off with first. So let's go ahead and show that and take a listen.
This is what it actually looks like coming up in the yard. And that's what's left, basically. It's bad. Some of my neighbors' houses.
So when you saw the damage and you heard your family member, what was going through your mind? There are many people who have had to go to shelters. 500,000 people in Jamaica didn't have power. What was it like for you? What is going on with your family right now?
So very fearful, honestly. Still a lot of anxiety from even the start of just the storm before landfall had actually hit, and now being able to even hear voices is somewhat soothing, but still kind of traumatic. Just hearing saying that, oh, there's still no power, we don't have internet, or we have to commute to the local fire station to kind of borrow some Wi-Fi or internet to be able to just send a quick message to let our loved ones know that we are okay, we are alive, but everything is gone. So that's the heartbreaking part. It's like knowing that they're just grateful to, have life, but still not have shelter, still not have running water, still not have power, access to, even food. It's very, very heartbreaking.
And is that the circumstance for your family member that sent the video now?
So he is still without power and without a roof. However, my family members who are in Lucy, which is on the west coast of Jamaica, they are the ones who were hit really, really hard. Roofs gone, houses damaged, destroyed, and they are the ones that actually have to commute to the fire station just to get some sort of internet connection to communicate here.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so talking about your nonprofit, Pretty Girls Are Educated, you are making a point to help the people that are in Jamaica right now. Tell us about quickly the ethos of Pretty Girls Are Educated and how it's correlating with how you plan to donate and help Jamaica.
Sure. So that's really just a part of my mission and who I am. We have always been on the ground running on different soils. We are based here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. However, we've stretched our reach to Jamaica, West Indies, as well as Africa. But I call them the girls that I mentor. They are my bonus daughters. They're not just, oh, we sit in circles and high five and hey girl, hey, how are you today? It's like real love and passion and commitment. I have one mentee in Montego Bay actually who left from a girls' home 3.5 hours away to start her life after aging out of that organization, and she was there alone. I finally heard from her yesterday, so just sending that relief with whatever essentials that we can, like simple stuff, hey, cups, water, shoes. I've reached out to different stores such as Crocs, DSW, Target stores is a big supporter of Pretty Girls Are Educated, so we'll be getting donations from them, just like I said, to give resources such as first aid kit, hygiene products. All of that is a necessity for them right now.
Absolutely, and you guys plan on going in 3 weeks, so you're going to help with taking all of the essentials that you said, as well as just getting in touch with the people.
Yeah, so first we're going to collect everything first here and get to Florida, then to Jamaica, then be there to receive it on the ground in Jamaica.
Amazing. Okay, so tell us again, how can people help and where can they go to donate? Where are the drop-off?
So our drop-off locations will be at Upper Yard Jamaican Restaurant, as well as Pepper Pot on MLK Drive, Jamaican Restaurant. We are still reaching out to other
Fireside,
just different Jamaican businesses, Jamaican-owned businesses. However, we are in great appreciation for Poorman's on Water Street. They're going to be hosting a fundraiser for us on our behalf to support our initiative and our relief on this coming Wednesday at 8:00 p.m.
Amazing. Well, thank you both so much for being here and for what you're doing.
Yes, absolutely.